Hey guys, my dad is doing a unboxing video today.
Okay, so I ordered this on eBay. They were like 11 bucks, which is cheaper than even Wish has them. It's a Vipertek Taser flashlight, and I got mine in my favorite color. So, anyway, comes in a little sleeve, and then the box opens up like a regular ring box or something. You got the Vipertek manual. It's the VTS-T03. I can't remember how much power it has. So it's about 7 inches long. So once you got the button, you see the button, it's got a flashlight symbol, a light symbol, and a lightning bolt symbol. So you push it up a little bit for the light, and then you push it up a little bit farther for the taser. And then there's a button on the side that you push for the taser. So, flashlight, taser. So, stay tuned to my next video where I'm going to have my son shock me with the taser. Okay, buddy.